Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the array and identifying the failed member. Run the controller utility and smart checks so you know which bay is bad. Once identified, make sure you have a current backup or snapshot of critical data off the array. This protects you if reconstruction stalls. Next, procure a compatible replacement disk, same or larger capacity and matching interface, and have it ready. These immediate steps set a safe foundation, so the rebuild can proceed without guessing or needless risk. Once the replacement drive is physically installed, mark the old disk as failed or offline through your RAID controller or MDATM, so the system won't write to it. Then trigger the rebuild using the controller's rebuild command or MDATM add followed by proper assembly and run. This tells the array to reconstruct parity onto the new disk using the remaining members. While rebuilding, monitor reconstruction percentage, I/O latency and any read errors. If errors appear, slow the resilver rate to reduce stress and give you time to react. After the rebuild completes, confirm the array reports as healthy and allow the file system a clean check. Run FSCK or XFS repair as appropriate, then remount read-write. Once you verify files and checksums, resume normal operations. If you encounter parity mismatches or uncorrectable read errors, stop additional writes and restore affected files from your backup. Do not force the array back into production. One key troubleshooting tip: if reconstruction stalls or error rates spike,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.